Welcome to Geoscraper. Today, I will show how to use Google Review Playground. First, you need active token for the playground. Let's grab the token from dashboard. Then click the playground link from the menu. After that, choose the review option to enter into the review playground. Now paste the token that copied earlier. Now copy the data IDs that you have, or you can scrape those data IDs from the Google Auto Search option and Result option. Those tutorials are in the description of this video. Wait until scraping is finished. Also, this takes some time, so you have to wait a little longer. To demonstrate the data, I'll cancel the task. Now you can download the CSV file by clicking the Download CSV button. Here is the CSV file that we downloaded from the playground. As you can see, there are 11,000 of reviews. You can use these data for anything you want. Thanks for watching. You can try our tool by visiting geoscraper.net/try.
Geoscraper, the last word in Google Maps scraping.